Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I will show you one of our apps that we have just built for AR. So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, now here is the code, and if you want to take a look at the app, go ahead and you can do so by going to the App Store and searching for AR Pixel Sling. Now this is for one of our clients, and as you can see, it is based off the Apple's app that it has been showcased, and it is pixel based. So what we are going to see now is a game that has levels and has pixels and in-app purchases with coins, and of course as a bonus you can collect coins and monsters and so on. So let's jump into Xcode and basically build and run and show you what we are going to have in this app. So here we go. I will just show you my QuickTime player. So here we go. Build has succeeded, and let's see that on our screen. There we go, and it should be open right away. Okay, that's it. Great. Now as you can see, it is asking us to use our location. Let's allow that, and we have two options: hosting and joining. Of course, we have to be our host, so let's try to host our app. So let's find a flat surface now, and we can scale this while we pinch and zoom. So I will just tap now, and there we go. We have added our gameplay. Now it says move closer to a slingshot. Okay, we will do, but before we do that, as you can see here we have our coins. Here we have one of our enemies. So really interesting and great. And let us just tap on there and let's shoot. Okay, there we go. And the aim of this game is to basically collect some coins. So let's collect some of the coins here. There we go. And to shoot the other slingshots. Okay, let me try that again. There we go. Okay, now let's us just go back here and leave and show you what the other screen does in the shop. So there we have it. We have our player name. We can be as a spectator. We can adjust the music volume and the effects volume and select our levels. So let's take a look at the levels. As you can see, there are quite a few. So we may, let's see, select the cube. And of course we may shop for coins. There we go. All of this is made possible with a Rebeloper store. Okay, let's go back and take a look finally at the cube level. So again, let's find a flat surface. Let's make that a little bit bigger. Tap on it. There we go. And I am just going to shoot now with this on there. It is pretty hard to go in here while I am. Okay, I guess it is moving too fast because it is a slippery white surface. So go ahead and take a look and add it to a non-white surface. Now that is it, AR Pixel Sling. Go ahead and check it out on the App Store. And as usual, I will see you in the next one.